So festive season is around the corner and it is the best time to pick a speaker for Diwali. So I was looking for one to keep here in the office. I wanted amazing sound quality. That was the only requirement. And that's why I was keeping my eyes on this one. And now I have it here. So we'll discuss what is good and what is bad. My name is Shivam and in today's video we are checking out the Marshall Stanmore 2. Let's test this speaker and see if it's actually worth it. Before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on this speaker, you can head to the first link down below in the description. Starting off with the design, I want to say that these are very well designed speakers. It has the wooden cabinet with a leather-like finish around the speaker. And on the front we have salt and pepper grill with a plate that says established in 1962. Taking a look at the top, we have all the controls like source selection, aux input, volume knob and bass and treble control. So from here I can set the tone the way I like. By the way, the knobs are very heavy and feels like you're using a top of the line product. Also the LED indicators are here to indicate the levels. On the back we have the power input and that's it for the device. Overall I really like the speaker. It feels very premium and looks really good if you put this in your living room or bedroom. One thing I found missing though is a handle. They should make some sort of handle to carry this thing around. But otherwise it feels solid in terms of build quality and it doesn't feel like I threw my money in water. Coming down to the features, we have a lot. It has Bluetooth 5.0 with 30 feet of range, which also adds the functionality of dual pairing. So I and my brother can connect our devices and play songs turn by turn. There is also an app by Marshall from where we can do all sorts of things like adjusting the sound type, changing the sound source, LED indicators, brightness, etc. But only and only if you can connect to the app. The app was not detecting my speaker. I reset it multiple times, but nah, it doesn't take the name to work. But if you know how to do that, please do let me know in the comments down below. But what I was able to do was to connect with my Google Home app, which means I can use my voice assistant with the speaker. I think there is also an Alexa version of this. I am not sure. Now, one more thing I don't like about this speaker is that even though you have inbuilt mics, but you cannot take calls from this. So just to give you a test how good this mic is, I mean how far it can pick your sound, let's do a quick audio test. Okay Google, play some songs.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
You play music in the background.
Okay, Google.
Even what?
Next track. And that's it for the features. One thing I would love to see in the speaker would be a battery so that we could take it anywhere. I know it's not a portable speaker, but looking at this size and price, anyone would expect it to have some sort of battery. Coming down to the most crucial part and the section you all been waiting for, and that is the sound quality. So for the driver specification, we have one 50 watt Class D amplifier for the woofer and two 15 watts Class D amplifiers for the tweeters. And combined, I would say that they produce phenomenal sound quality. The first time I heard this, I felt like all my pennies are wisely spent, and the sound it produces is very warm and clear. If you sit in front of it, you could imagine how the producers were feeling when they were producing the song. Talking about the bass, it's quite impressive. I have to turn it down. Mids and trebles are also there. I mean, you cannot complain. Anyone who worships sound quality definitely won't be disappointed. Also, just to get it before I forget, these are quite loud according to me, and for the specification it's like 101 decibels at 1 meter of distance. It's like a chainsaw at 1 meter distance. Now I would love to invite everyone to the office and listen to it, but you know that's not feasible. But what I can do is I can record the sound and you can have a rough estimate of how it sounds. It's very rough. You would only get an idea as there are a lot of things that is altering the sound, like the room I'm recording this, the mic used, earphones you're listening to, etc. So please take it with a grain of salt. Now coming down to the price, there are two versions of this speaker. One is with the voice assistant and second one is without. And for the pricing, it is $250 on Amazon US and 30,000 rupees in India. And other one is $300 and 35,000 rupees respectively. So it's up to you if you want the voice assistant or not. But overall, it's worth the price tag if you are looking for any good speaker for this Diwali or festival season, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, etc. Then you can definitely pick this up. And the best deals are down below in the description, so you can check it out from there. But that's been it, guys. That was today's. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye.